Assalamu alaikum viewers, this is me Sadique Ali from the set of Nexus Institute of Advanced Learning. Today I have been here with an interesting video in which you will learn about the subject and predicate, what actually the subject and predicate is. I have written some sentences on the board which will describe the subject and predicate. The sentence, the dog is barking at you. The dog is a subject. Why it is subject? Because it describes a noun or a pronoun. Subject is something which describes a doer of an action. Because here the dog is doing an action, that's why it is a subject. And the predicate is something in sentence which describes other part of the sentence, which includes verb and object. Now here you can see barking and at you. Barking is a verb and at you is an object. So the subject is something which describes any noun or pronoun or the doer of an action. Who does the action? If I am doing something like I am writing, my name is Sadiq. So if I write this, Sadiq is writing. Here Sadiq will be subject and is writing. This will be a predicate. Hope you are understanding what I want to say. Subject is a part of sentence which describes any doer of an action which is noun or a pronoun. But predicate is a part of sentence which shows other part of sentence which includes verb or object. Here she is calling her brother. Who is calling? She. What will be she? A subject. Okay. Is calling her brother. What will be? It will be predicate because it includes verb and object and EOS, extension of subject. I hope you understand whatever I told you. If you liked our video, keep supporting us, subscribe our channel, like our video, and comment. Tell in the comment how was the video. Thank you very much.